Welcome student, this is first video of chapter 15 polygon from RS. So, polygon. Before this, first we know closed figure. What are the closed figure? As by name, closed means band. A figure which begins and end at the same point. Let a figure start from here. It start from here. A point is the starting point. This figure start from here and end at the same starting point there. Such figures are called closed figure. A figure which begins and end, beginning point and end points are same, is called closed figure. The next is open figure. Open means खुली हुई figures. A figure which does not end at the starting point. Let the figure start from here. Move this, but not end here. It ends here. A figure whose starting and ending points are different are called open figure. Closed figure, open figure. Now moves to polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a closed figure. Closed figure formed by three or more line segments. Three or more line segments. Line segments, not lines, line segments. Polygon is a closed figure. First property of polygon is closed and formed by line segment. Closed figure formed by three or more, because if we take two lines segment, that this first line segment is this and second is this, then it will not be closed. It is open, and it is not a polygon because it is open. So must be closed and must be made up by line segments. So polygon is a closed figure polygon formed by three or more line segment. Two things are compulsory: first, line segment, and must be closed. Three line segment and closed figure. Such figure we called it a triangle. We have learned about triangle in primary classes. Three line segment. So triangle is a figure which is made by three line segments. So a polygon of three sides is called triangle. Clear? Now it is polygon. Next move to sides. What are the sides? The line segment. These line segments. This is a polygon. So these line segments, this, forming a polygon, which form a polygon, is called sides. These are sides. Then vertex, these points. The meeting point of pair of line segments, where two line segments meet. These are the vertex, A, B, C, D. These points are vertex. Next, adjacent sides. Adjacent sides, two sides of polygon having same end point. Let these two sides are adjacent because they have same end point. This one common point is called adjacent sides. Okay. Now the types of polygons. First is triangle. When a closed figure formed by three line segment is called a triangle. Three sides. It has three sides and three vertex and three angles. These angles. A triangle has three sides, three vertex and three angles. Then next is quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A figure formed by closed figure formed by four line segment. Four line segment is called quadrilateral. Four line segments, P, Q, R, S. The quadrilateral has four sides, four vertex and four angles. These are the angles. Next is your pentagon. formed by 5 line segment. 5 line segments is called pentagon. So it has 5 sides, 5 vertex and 5 angles. Next is your hexagon, 6 line segment. You have to learn that a hexagon has 6 sides, pentagon has 5 sides, quadrilateral has 4 sides. Then heptagon, 7 line segments, 7 sides, 7 vertices. Whatever the sides, the same is vertex and the same is angles. Octagon, 8 sides, 8 angles and 8 vertices. These are the polygons because these all are closed. Okay. Next is simple closed. These all are simple closed figure. Open figure, you know about closed figure, open figure, closed figure, open figure, then types of polygons. This is your complete polygon. This is your polygon. Okay. So before starting the chapter, you have to write down this introduction like this. Chapter 15 polygon, then introduction. These points you have to draw figure with pencil and scale neatly. These definitions, you will found these all definitions in your book, but I am showing you how you have to write down this in your book. In your notebook you have to write down introduction. This is your complete introduction. What I have told you, this all is in written form. This complete is the introduction. Then this is your exercise. Exercise 15. You can do this in book, but most of you don't have the book, so you have to do this in your notebook. And you know how to do. First is, which of the following are simple closed figure? Which of the following simple closed figure? These are simple closed, and this is not simple because the lines are overlapping each other. So this is not a simple. This is simple. It's not a simple figure because lines are overlapping, crossing each other. And where lines cross each other is called not simple. And where doesn't cross is simple. Next is, which of the following are polygon? This is polygon because closed and all are made up by line segment. This is polygon, made up by line segments. This is not polygon because it is closed but completely not made up by line segment. Here the curve, circle type you got, so it is not a polygon. These three are polygon. Next, the fill-ups. From the introduction you can get the answer. Have a look in your book. Like this, your chapter 15 is given. And I had shown you in your notebook how you have to do this introduction. You have to write down. That's all for this video. Stay home, stay safe.